Yo, bro. Happy Labor Day. Hope y'all enjoy this video I'm dropping for y'all. Alright, here it goes. Yo, bro. Alright, let me show y'all what's up. So, I was gonna recock this thing and everything, and apparently, over time, right there. You see the head? There's the next one. So I'm gonna have to drill that out and replace it. So, yeah, we got a little bit bigger job than what I thought, but it ain't that bad. It's something needed to be done. Might as well take care of it. We're gonna do that on this side and that side over there. Let's see where we are. So we went back, scraped all the crap off. I'm going back with a wire reel. There'll be a soft one. And this is thin aluminum. You look real close, you might be able to see it. It's aluminum. And that's a black plastic between it, with another piece of aluminum on the other side. Alright. But you just have to be real careful not to sit in one spot too long. And just keep on going. This is where we're at. And we're just cleaning all the gook off. I'm gonna go back and drill out the rivet and replace it as we move along. I think I'm gonna go ahead and replace all the rivets. It is, well, I'm believing, but I might not. Alright, y'all, this is where I'm just drilling out the rivets and redoing the lap seam. Yeah. Hey. Yo, bro. So far we got all the rivets in, all brand new rivets all the way across. We gotta do the lap sealant like we did on the other side. And then we're gonna throw some tape down. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the tape down on the other side. I'll let y'all see that. Then we'll do the lap sealant and everything else. Alright, y'all. All we gotta do is, we already did the lap sealant. So we just gonna start this. Good Lord. Uh-oh. If y'all do this, don't stick it down to a hot roof. Good Lord. It ain't even been there 2 seconds, y'all. Good. Do not set that tape down like that. And luckily, it's early in the morning, y'all. And we're gonna stick that down right there. Come on, get in my fire. There you go. Nope, not like that. Alright, now we just gotta pull it down at the end down there. Come back and start pulling this tape off after we get to where we want it to go. Alright, y'all, we gotta start a caulking or a lap sealing. But I got half of the top done. I'm going across that way. Work down to here. We just want to keep on working around. All we're doing is cocking it and smoothing it off. I'll get back with y'all. Alright, bro. So, yeah. We got that little bit right there left to do. And that'll finish everything up, but that very back seam better. And we're gonna order another tube and just go around. We got some little spots here and there. But we got the roof done. I'm gonna cock this last little bit and let y'all see it. And then we're gonna let it dry tonight. And tomorrow we'll put the rest of the tape on. We got that piece of tape on. Working on this piece right now. And then we gotta finish recocking and see where we started. You gotta recock that whole seam back there and tape it up. And then do this area right here around the roof vent and tape it up also. And that should be everything up here. Alright, I got that seam done, y'all. Got my little patch piece right there. Gotta do something over there. Like I said, we still gotta do the back and around the vent. But I just want to show y'all as it go. Alright, we got her done. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put this video out and let y'all see it.